Emerson Power Systems offers a comprehensive diesel generator manual series. This includes the Diesel Generator Handbook selection, application, and installation in its 13th edition. It also includes the Diesel Generator Reference Guide in its 4th edition and the Diesel Generator Service and Repair Handbook in its 2nd edition. These manuals provide comprehensive coverage of generator selection and application, installation and startup procedures, synchronization and parallel operation, generator regulation and monitoring, engine theory and operation, switchgear and electrical distribution, and troubleshooting and maintenance. Cummins Power Systems provides a generator set training series. This includes generator set fundamentals, generator set installation and operation, and generator set maintenance and troubleshooting. These manuals cover a wide range of topics, including generator components and operation, electrical theory and distribution, engine operation and maintenance, controls and protection systems, fuel systems and emissions control, and generator testing and troubleshooting. Caterpillar provides a generator set field manual. This manual provides detailed information on Caterpillar generators, including generator selection and application, installation and setup procedures, generator operation and monitoring, troubleshooting and maintenance, and emergency power systems and paralleling. NFPA 110 is the standard for emergency and standby power systems. AEC 62.1 is the standard for electric systems in industrial facilities. Also consider Association of Diesel Specialists or ADS training programs. These resources offer comprehensive information on generators ranging from 10 kilowatts to 600 kilowatts. When selecting a generator, consider the power requirements of the loads it will serve. Calculate the total wattage of all devices and appliances that will be powered by the generator simultaneously. Account for starting wattage, which is the extra power needed to start motors and other inductive loads. Generators are typically rated for both continuous and surge wattage. Select a generator with a continuous wattage rating that exceeds the total running wattage of your loads. Choose a surge wattage rating that can handle the peak starting wattage of any motors or equipment. Consider the type of fuel the generator uses, such as gasoline, diesel, propane, or natural gas. Diesel generators are generally more fuel efficient and durable than gasoline generators, but they may be more expensive to purchase. Propane and natural gas generators offer cleaner emissions and can be connected to existing fuel lines. Determine the voltage requirements of your loads. Most residential appliances operate at 120 volts, while some larger appliances may require 240 volts. Industrial equipment may require three-phase power at 208 volts, 480 volts, or other voltages. Select a generator that provides the appropriate voltage and phase configuration for your needs. Consider the features and options available on different generators. Automatic transfer switches or ATS can automatically start the generator when utility power fails and transfer the load to the generator. Remote monitoring and control systems allow you to monitor generator performance and control its operation from a remote location. Sound attenuation enclosures can reduce generator noise levels. Installation should be performed by qualified electricians and technicians in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. Ensure that the generator is installed in a well-ventilated area to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Install a carbon monoxide detector in the vicinity of the generator. Connect the generator to the electrical system using an approved transfer switch. This prevents backfeeding electricity into the utility grid, which can be dangerous for utility workers. Ground the generator properly to prevent electrical shock hazards. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for starting and operating the generator. Perform regular maintenance on the generator to ensure reliable operation. Check the oil level, coolant level, and fuel level regularly. Clean or replace air filters as needed. Inspect spark plugs or fuel injectors and replace them if necessary. Test the generator periodically to ensure that it starts and runs properly. Keep a log of maintenance performed on the generator. Generator regulation refers to the ability of the generator to maintain a stable voltage and frequency output under varying load conditions. Automatic voltage regulators or AVR are used to maintain a constant voltage output. Frequency is controlled by governing the speed of the engine. Switchgear is used to control and protect electrical equipment in the generator system. Circuit breakers protect against overloads and short circuits. Relays are used to monitor system conditions and initiate protective actions. Engine theory and operation involves understanding the principles of combustion engine components and engine control systems. Diesel engines use compression ignition, while gasoline engines use spark ignition. Engine control systems regulate fuel injection, ignition timing, and other parameters to optimize performance and emissions. Troubleshooting involves identifying and resolving problems with the generator system. Use a systematic approach to troubleshooting, starting with the most likely causes. Check for obvious problems, such as loose connections, blown fuses, or low fluid levels. Use a multimeter or other test equipment to measure voltages, currents, and resistances. Consult the manufacturer's service manual for troubleshooting procedures. Maintenance includes performing regular inspections, lubrication, and component replacements. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance intervals. Keep the generator clean and free of debris. Lubricate moving parts to prevent wear and corrosion. Replace worn or damaged components promptly. Understanding the operation and maintenance of these systems is crucial for ensuring reliable power generation. When working with generators, always prioritize safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, such as safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection. Disconnect the generator from the electrical system before performing any maintenance or repairs. Never work on a generator while it is running. Allow the generator to cool down before handling hot components. Be aware of the hazards of carbon monoxide poisoning. Never operate a generator in an enclosed space. Store fuel safely in approved containers away from heat and ignition sources. Follow all applicable safety codes and regulations. Proper generator selection, installation, and maintenance are essential for ensuring reliable power during outages. By following these guidelines, you can minimize downtime and protect your equipment and property. Always consult with qualified professionals for assistance with generator selection, installation, and maintenance. Remember that working with electrical equipment can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable performing any of these tasks, seek the help of a qualified electrician or technician. Understanding the fundamentals of generator systems is essential for anyone who relies on standby or emergency power.